I look around. I do not see her. Where is she? I turn left. I turn right. She is not here. This is an easy English story. Listen and learn. We are walking in a park. The sun is warm. People are walking. Some people sit on benches. My daughter is next to me. She is happy. She looks around. I look at my phone. Just for a moment. Then I look up. She is not here. I stop walking. I look around again. I look left. I look right. I do not see her. Where is she? Where did she go? I feel something change. My body feels tight. I walk fast. I look near a bench. I look behind the bench. She is not there. I stop. I look again. Still nothing. I go to a tree. I look around the tree. I look up the tree. I look behind the tree. She is not there. I feel worried. I feel very worried. I say her name. I say it again. No answer. Where is she? I cannot see her. I go to the playground. I look at the slide. I look near the swings. I look under the slide. She is not there. I stop. I look around again. People are walking, but I do not see her. Has something happened? Maybe I should call for help. I take my phone. I hold it in my hand. I wait. I think. What should I do? I look again. I look everywhere. But then, I see something. I look near a tree. I walk slowly. I look down. She is there. She is sitting on the ground. She is with a small cat. The cat is soft and quiet. She smiles. She touches the cat. I feel relief. I feel calm. I walk to her. I say her name. She looks at me. She smiles. She is safe. I take a breath. We walk together. We go home. Today I cannot find my daughter. I look in the park. I look near a bench. I look near a tree. I look at the playground. I feel worried. But then I find her. She is with a small cat. She is safe. I feel happy. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.